Hi everyone, welcome to Masoomi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I make a list before I go shopping. I make a list before I go shopping.
I need to buy eggs and butter. I need to buy eggs and butter.
I write down everything I need. I write down everything I need.
I check the kitchen before I make my list. I check the kitchen before I make my list.
I forgot to add sugar to my list. I forgot to add sugar to my list.
I cross out items I already have. I cross items I already have.
My list has 10 things on it. My list has 10 things on it.
I keep my list in my pocket. I keep my list in my pocket.
I add a new item to my list. I add a new item to my list.
I finish shopping and check my list again. I finish shopping and check my list again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.